What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's like 4 o'clock. It's like 4 o'clock and it is getting dark. This daylight saving times, it sucks. It's gotta stop. I get home from work, I got like 20 minutes to do yard work. Well, guess what time of year it is? Winterizer time. That's a bummer, right? And a lot of you probably wondering, what is a winterizer, or should I put a winterizer down, or when's the right time to put that winterizer down? I will tell you coming up. Also, I'm going to show you how I winterize my mower. Both my mowers, actually. I got 2 mowers actually now. I will show you how I winterize those as well, and how to prepare them for winter. Stick around, I will show you all my goods. That's the worst time of year, isn't it? It's like sun doesn't come out anymore and it's time to put your lawn equipment away and get ready for winter and snow. It's probably close to my last mow of the year. It is November 13th. I'm hoping to mow a couple more times. Now, I don't think it's growing very much, but I want to get mow. There's still some leaves left over and just clean it up really nicely. Then I'm gonna throw down my winterizer. All right, let's go. Also, if you guys haven't already, lowered your mower down a click or two, now's the time to do it. So if it is your last mow or second to last mow, or if you think you're getting close to your last mow, lower your mower down a click or two, about an inch lower than you normally mow. So if you mow at 3 inches, go down to 2. If you mow at 4 inches, go down to 3, right? And now I was talking inches, because you want a shorter lawn when it comes time to winter and snow, and it'll have a less, the grass will fold over a lot less, preventing snow mold, a lot more disease and fungus, because your grass is not going to be folded over. It's going to be all standing up, and it's going to be able to pop back up faster in the spring. I believe, this is my theory, that when you do your winterizer, you do it and right before it freezes, right before the soil freezes, and it doesn't take in, so that first thing in the spring, when the snow melts and everything starts thawing out, and then it's still sitting there, and then it absorbs into the soil, and then your grass can catch it. It's a lot harder to spread your winterizer in the spring when you've got tons of stuff over your yard, snow still on your yard. That's why we do it right before winter, is because it'll be there all perfectly laid out for you first thing in spring. The winterizer I'm using is the Lesco from Lowes, and it is a 30-010, and it's full of nitrogen, fast and slow release, and it's got a lot of potassium. These two things are great for a winterizer, a high nitrogen and a high potassium, to get you through the winter, and it'll kickstart your lawn as soon as it starts thawing out first thing in spring. The other approach that you can take, that I've seen people take, is they do it so that your grass still soaks in all that nutrients right before it goes dormant, because then it gets pushed down into your roots. Now, I think that's true. I think that helps as well. But for me, I stick with a regular fertilizing routine, and I like to keep fertilizing every other weekend, if not every weekend, spoon feeding, so my lawn is getting fertilizer all the time. So it's constantly getting some sort of nutrients pushed into it, so the roots are hopefully nice and deep, ready for dormancy. Okay, got the mow in, and now it is time to throw it down before it gets dark and before it starts raining on me, rain/snow. Here it is. Covers 18,750 square feet. I've got 8,000 square feet. So I'm gonna cut this bag in half. Not literally, but like pounds wise. 25 pounds today. Then I have another dose, so I can do 25 pounds in the spring. That's kind of the cool thing about Lesco, is their bags cover a lot of square feet. It's about 60 bucks at Lowe's. This is about the only thing I buy at Lowe's because I'm a Home Depot guy.
We're gonna go to Home Depot.
Load it up, hit it, blow off your sidewalks, you're done. Winterizer complete. I wonder what the little pink balls are. Anyways, I got my Earthway, not my Scott spreader.
Low down.
Down low.
No doubt.
Let's throw it down. Let's wait till the spring to see the results. Okay, here's a secret from the pros. Happy Gilmore.
That's a secret of the pros.
Seafoam. Add seafoam to your mowers on your last mow. When you think it's your last mow, just add it to your tank. It's a couple ounces every gallon, so I mean, your tank's not even a gallon, so I just throw a couple glugs in there, and it cleans out everything. It stabilizes your fuel. It gets it all ready to go for winter, and it sits through winter and is ready for you in the spring. Fires up first thing or second pole in the spring. Seafoam. Just add it.
I don't know what that means.
That's a saying.
Okay, it's getting dark out. I wanted to show you guys that don't let people tell you that their yard just goes brown and dormant in the winter. It doesn't have to. Keep watering it, keep fertilizing it like you would normal until the very last second, because you can keep your yard green like this up until the first snow, up until your yard goes into dormancy. Keep doing the normal things and you won't have a brown dormant yard, you'll have a green dormant yard. And Ryan, his yard's like brown, so whew. That is it. Winterizer is done. Super happy with it. I think Lesco is a great brand. That's a good number too. 30010. I just wanted to say thank you guys for sticking with me this year. This is my first full year of this, but I wanted to just say thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks you guys for sticking around. I plan on having lots more content for you next year, and I have plans for through the winter too. Cool season guys have a little trouble through the winter because we get snow. So I've got some snow clips coming out. I got a de-icer that hack that's gonna blow your guys' mind and save you lots of money. Anyways, I got lots of plans. So just wanted to say thanks to you guys for sticking with me, and I look forward to giving you guys lots more content and tips and tricks in the lawn and making the lawn fun again.
Well, better luck next year.
Thanks you guys. Have a great holiday season, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you made it this far to the end of the video. Like, comment below, tell me what you like, what you didn't like, tell me what your favorite video was this year. Anything and everything. So I'm open, and I will see you guys later. Later's on the Menche.
No, I'll be there. I'll be there.
All right, I'll see you then.
All right. Latest on the Menche.